Good afternoon. It is Tuesday the 1st of April. I'm currently trying to rush and get my bloody shoes off at the moment to get ready to go for a run. So I've just literally knocked off work and it is currently 6:15 and we are going to quickly get ready for a run. I don't have very high standards for this run as I'm literally have a short period of time that I can run in. So I'm just going to be running until the sun goes down type vibe. And I'm also going to drive to the location, which I don't normally do. I normally run from like my home and run to a certain area, but because it's going to get dark and it does get dark really quickly now, I'm going to take my car to a location somewhere and then run from there. So then I'm closer, so then when it gets dark I can easily just jump in my car and be back home. Let's quickly get ready to go on a run. This is the outfit, don't mind the angle. We've got Lorna Jane little like booty shorts on. Then we've got this cute little top, I believe it's from Kmart. And I believe it's a cotton on sport bra as well. This is going to be like the last proper run before race day because race day is on Sunday, guys. This is going to be like a last big run and then we're going to start tapering off quite a bit. We've already started tapering off a bit, but yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm now officially back from my run. I ended up running 5 kilometers, which was pretty good but pretty chill. A lot further than I thought I was going to actually run tonight because daylight savings has gone, so it gets dark really quickly now. So I wasn't expecting to get 5 kilometers done, but I can't believe it's 4 days till race day. That's mental. I've been reading all like the emails they've been sending me about prepping for race day and I'm like, okay, let's get ready. I can't believe it. Also, I did my nails. Can you see? They're cute. They're very cutesy and very demure. They're like this coral glitter and there's like a rose gold glitter there as well, which you can't really see, but it's there. But yeah, I'm going to quickly jump in the shower and then cook some dinner. I don't have to start carb loading quite yet, but very soon we're going to be carb loading. Me, you, carbs. Bring them on. Also guys, on my run there was a beautiful sunset. It was so bloody good. At the beginning I thought, oh, it's gonna be like a very mid sunset, like you know when that's me. That's what I thought it was gonna be like, and then all of a sudden it just turned and it became one of the prettiest things I have ever seen. Also, that's my last run until race day. It is Monday the 31st of March and we have had an exciting delivery, so let's unbox it. This weekend is race day for a half marathon, so these are just supplies to help me fuel and restock my goodies. So I've bought everything from Aid Station. I did it last time and they were really good, so I've done it again. First of all, we have this little drink bottle. Cute. And it's got like measuring down here as well. This goes with something I'll show you in a second. Oh, fancy. So this drink bottle goes with, I literally ordered this not that long ago and it came, like it's coming really quickly, which is good. We love that because I didn't realize how close I was to the half marathon, so I'm lucky that it came pretty quickly, otherwise I would have been in trouble. So this is the triple magnesium professional recovery. It is pineapple coconut flavor, which I'm not sure how I feel about the flavor, but this is the product that I got. It came with this drink bottle as well. It's like a little bundle, so I'm excited. It's apparently meant to help with recovery and like your sleep as well, so I'm interested to try this out because sometimes not sleeping great, so I'd like to try that out and give that a crack. I also still have some of the Cis electrolytes, so I'm loving that as well, so I'm going to use that for race day. I'll do another like video of what I'm actually going to have fueling wise for race day and how I'm going to really prepare. Next items are these creatine gummies. I've been wanting to try these for a while, and these are also meant to help your muscles recover and has a lot of benefits. If you want to know more about creatine, search it up. But yeah, I'm so excited to try these out. It is the strawberry creatine gummies. And then lucky last, I have just restocked on my gels. It is the Cis gels. I've been training with them, so I'm not going to change it up for the race day. I'm just going to keep the same gels that I've been using. I'm very excited because I'm getting back to my favorite flavors. Like, I've got lemon lime back. I really enjoyed orange. Some people didn't like it because it was too sweet, but I kind of like orange. I didn't like black currant, and I was on the edge of apple. Like, I would easily have apple over black currant, but I would say lemon lime is probably my favorite so far. Okay, let's cut these open. I'm so excited for race day, but I'm also so scared. I can't believe it's already here. Like, that is mental. I've really just been trying my best to train hard and give myself rest and break. I've been having a bit of discomfort in my left shin, and I did end up hurting myself in the grand final, so I feel like that has something to do with it. But I've just been trying to let it rest and have a little bit of a breather in between some heavy training. Started to taper off in my trainings because it's getting close to race day and you don't want to do too much. You want your body to really recover. So tomorrow I'll probably do like an easy run, and then it will literally just be weights until race day. And then I think three or 4 days before race day I'm going to stop training completely, and then I'll do an easy 5-kilometer run. These are all the gels. I'm all stocked up. This is literally like heaven right here. If you're a runner, you understand the feeling of having a ton of fresh gels. Like, it's just great. Let's try the strawberry creatine gummies. You're meant to have 3 of them daily. When I saw this pop up on Instagram, I was like, this is so good, because I don't want to necessarily have powder. I don't think the powder tastes bad, but this just seems like a better way. Let's have a look. There's so many in here. 315 grams. Oh god, they're like full gummies. This is the gummy. Have a crack at it. They're actually really good. I definitely recommend these creatine gummies for your trainings, because these are actually really good. You could have these as like your little sweet treat during the day, because they actually taste like gummy. I was concerned about getting the strawberry flavour because I'm not normally a person that likes strawberry flavoured things, but these are good. If you gave it to me, I would have thought it was just a gummy. So I definitely recommend those, guys. I've just currently made some chocolate chip cookies, which I'm very excited about. They're double chocolate chip cookies with white chocolate chips. So when they're ready, I'll cook that. I'm going to have probably fried rice tonight. And closer to race day, I'm going to have spaghetti bolognese, because pasta is a really good carb source and it's full of water as well, which is really good for your muscles to store before race day. And then the day before race day, I'm going to have a lot of electrolytes to get me all hydrated, ready for the race. For now, I'll see you later.